In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate over $200 per day on ClickBank with literally zero effort. I'm going to show you how to use brand new AI tool to generate a website, high converting website in just a couple of clicks that you can use to promote high converting affiliate offer that I'm also going to give you for free. So you can literally set up this exact same method in just a couple of minutes after watching this video and start making some money with it too. Using AI to speed up the process of making money on the internet seems to be the latest trend anywhere and everywhere, and so is going to be the case in today's video. So just make sure to smash the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel, comment down below something for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get started. Okay, as a first thing, what you need to do to make some money is actually have something to sell. Now with affiliate marketing, it's very easy because if you go to a site like ClickBank.com or any other affiliate marketplace for that matter, you can grab yourself an affiliate offer very quickly and then you can promote it to make some money with it. Now if you're new to ClickBank, obviously you need to sign up for your free account. And one of the fastest way to do that is by clicking this login button right here. And if you've been watching my videos previously, you know that I recommend signing up for a ClickBank account using this create an account here button, because that way you will skip the little annoying survey they put out to new ClickBank users, and that way you can save yourself a couple of minutes. What you want to do is sign up for your free account, then just log right into it. And once you're in, just navigate to the affiliate marketplace, and here you can pick yourself an affiliate offer of your choice from all these different niches that you get down here. Now into this video, I'm going to show you one of the best converting offers on ClickBank that you can use with this method, and I'm also going to give you a couple of reliable traffic sources that you can use to promote this exact offer, and by doing this you can see results literally in the first 24 hours. What you want to do is go to this home and garden section, and right here on the left you want to select crafts and hobbies. If you're going to see, the top offer should be this one right here, that's called Ted's Woodworking, highest converting woodworking site on the internet. And as you can see, for each sale of this product from ClickBank, you can get paid $52.25. Now this is just the initial conversion, okay? As you can see right here, and one of the reasons why this offer is so powerful is because for each sale of this product, you will also receive an additional recurring commission of almost $5, which means for every 10 sales of this product, you will receive additional almost $50 without having to do any additional work. And also because this offer has gravity score of 124, which is pretty good for ClickBank offers, because if you're going to check out a bunch of other products from the same niche, you can see they have gravity scores around 10, 17, 5 right here, 7, 1.7. So pretty much this is the highest converting offer in this niche and pretty much one of the best offers on ClickBank to make money with. So to hop on that same train, what you want to do is click on promote right here, and you need to grab your affiliate link for this offer. Obviously you need to fill in your ClickBank nickname right here, and in my case it's this one. Then just click on create a hop link and you will get your own affiliate link down here. Now for this method, all you need to do is just copy and save it somewhere, for example into a notepad. You don't need to be shortening it for this to work, because we are going to be creating a very simple bridge page very easily by using free AI tool. And all you need to do for that is just go to this website right here, that's called durable.co. Just go to durable.co, and if you don't know what this is like a brand new AI tool that's going to generate your own website in just 30 seconds. So pretty much if you're not a huge fan of creating your own pages, having to design them, get the resources for this, all the images, all the text, this website is going to be doing that for you in just a couple of clicks. And as you can see right here, it has generated over 1.6 million websites already. So pretty much this is like a tool that's being used over the internet right now. And all you need to do to add your website to this number down here is just go to the sign in button and sign up using your Gmail account. Pretty much just click on login with Google right here, or you can just fill in your favorite email address different than Gmail down here, choose a strong password, click on remember me, and log right into it. Once you log into your account on Durable, what you want to do is click on this create new business button, and now you need to name it something. One of the easiest ways to choose a themed name for this website is just pretty much go back to ClickBank, and you want to copy something from the sales page of the product. So just go to the sales page, and as you can see right here, you can see this product is dedicated to over 16,000 woodworking plants. So pretty much what you can do is just copy this title right here, then just hop over to Durable and paste it in this business name just like that. Then in this industry, you need to select a type of this website, what it's dedicated to. So pretty much I'm going to type in there DIY plants as it done for you plants. And then in this location, you want to type a location of a general country. For example, for this method, you can go with United States, just type it in there and click on create a business button, and you can see the AI is going to generate this website for you live in front of your eyes. So I'm just going to wait for it to finish, and as you can see, it has generated this site for you in a couple of seconds that you can now customize to however you want. And it also has generated a mobile version. This is very useful option because nowadays most of the traffic is coming from mobile users, so having a website designed specifically for mobile is a huge plus. So once these websites get generated, you can click on edit button right here and you get to customize it to however you want it to look. For example, you can see there's a couple of sections right here that you can customize into better represent the product you're going to be promoting. So for example, if you're doing this for a weight loss niche or dating niche or make money online niche, you can go ahead and add custom text and custom images here as well. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So pretty much if you want to change one of these sections, just go ahead and click on this pencil button and you get to customize it. For example, let's change this header, this title into something like DIY woodworking plans made easy USA or something like that. And obviously this text gets generated by AI and it's pretty much describing the entire product in a couple of sentences that are very specific, very targeted. So if you want to change that, just in this right section you can see this subtext field. Go ahead and type in there anything that you want to contain on this website, but pretty much I'm very happy with the text that the AI has generated for me. All I want to do here in this contact button that is down here, I'm going to change it into something like check it out now. You can see the button text gets changed right here. And what you want to do then is just grab your affiliate link from the notepad or from ClickBank and paste it into this external link field right here. Just like that. And also you can go ahead and change the alignment of this section pretty much for something like this if you want to go with that, but I'm going to keep it in the middle because that way it's very easy to read. Then just click on save and this section gets saved. And one of the things that I highly recommend is that you customize every button on this website and embed it with your affiliate link. As you can see, there's multiple sections here, and to each of these you can add your own button with the affiliate link. So pretty much let's just do that for this title just as well. I'm going to click on edit website header, scroll down to the button, also name it something like get them here, paste your affiliate link, click on save so it gets changed right away. And also if you want, you can delete some of these sections that you don't want to be using. So for example, if I scroll all the way down here, this map of the United States, I'm not going to use that, so I'm just going to delete it. Yes, of course, I want to remove this block, and then also go ahead and delete this contact form. I don't want to be using it. Then in this part, there's this gallery section with the random images generated by AI or grabbed from internet by AI and embedded into this website. So if you want to change these images into something better, you can just simply use this button regenerate, and it's going to grab another set of images that are more specific, more targeted. For example, you can see this is not very themed to the woodworking nature of the product, so I'm just going to hit regenerate a couple of times until it generates images that I'm happy with. For example, something like this. Then if you scroll down here, you can see there's this like testimonial part of this website, and you can also go ahead and customize this if you want to. Just click on this pencil image and you can change the entire text right here just by pressing the pencil button on the toolbar. So I'm just going to open it up, and if I want to change this text, for example, I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it to write me a short testimonial promoting Ted's Woodworking, the largest collection of woodworking plans. Then just hit enter and let ChatGPT generate this testimonial for you. And once ChatGPT generates this paragraph for you, pretty much just go ahead and copy it and paste it into this field instead of this AI's generated paragraph. Pretty much this is not necessary, but if you're not happy with the text that gets provided for you by this AI, you can just go ahead and simply change it into something that you like. Then also you can add an image that's going to be part of this testimonial part. For that, just simply go to free stock footage website, for example like pexels.com, and you want to search for woodworking. Just hit search on that and you can pick out from one of these images that describes the product the best. So for example, in this case, let's go with this one right here because it looks very DIY. It has all these wood shavings and power tools necessary for woodworking, so I'm just going to download it to my computer. Then just click on upload file right here and upload the image that you got from Pexels. So it's going to look something like this. Then just click on save and move to this part right here, and as you can see, this could use a longer paragraph that is already here, so I'm just going to click on this pencil again once again, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate an expanded version of this same sentence. So I'm just going to copy it just like that, go back to ChatGPT, paste it in there, hit enter, let ChatGPT do its thing once again, and just like that, with the magic of AI tools, you get generated this article that you can copy and paste into this paragraph instead of this short sentence. So just do that and it's going to look something like this. And pretty much what you want to do is add yet another button where people who are going to land on this page can click and be taken to the sales page. So just scroll down here on this toolbar and turn on this button. It gets displayed and now you need to customize it. So pretty much just change the name into something like check it out here, then paste your affiliate link one more time into this button just like that, click on save, and this button becomes embedded with your affiliate link, and every time somebody is going to click on it, they will be taken to the sales page, which is going to take care of the selling process. All you need to do is just get the most amount of traffic from this website to get to click on these buttons. You can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons where people can click and be directed to the sales page through my affiliate link. Once you're happy with the design of your site, what you can do is pretty much just click on this arrow button right here to view website, and you see that temporary link will be generated for this website. That's going to be changed every 24 hours. Once you upgrade to a paid plan, you will get a permanent website. So pretty much what you can do is publish this for the first 24 hours just by using this temporary link, and once you get your first sale of around $52, you can invest something from that into this durable plan that's going to cost just $12 per month. Or if you got spare $12 that you want to invest into this method, just go ahead and use starter plan right away. So pretty much just choose the way you want to go with, then just get linked to your website, and if you're going to check it out, it's going to look something like this. Now, I'm not very good at creating websites on my own. Pretty much I'm using very basic designs just to get the traffic from the traffic source to the sales page of the product that I'm using. But as you can see right here, a website like this is going to do very good job at convincing whoever's going to come here that if they are interested in woodworking or DIY for that matter, they can get a good product just by checking it out, clicking this button. Once I'm going to click on it, I will be taken to the sales page, and so is everybody else who's going to come there, and for every visitor who makes a purchase, you're going to get paid. What you need to do now is just drive the most amount of relevant traffic to this website, and for that just copy its link. Now, some of the best traffic for this type of offer, what you can do is go to Facebook, go to this search bar, and you want to type in there DIY woodworking. You can see right here you get many of these groups that are dedicated to woodworking and DIY plans, which have literally hundreds of thousands of followers. Pretty much just go to one of these groups, for example this one, and create a post describing this brand new website that you found containing very good woodworking plans. And if you're going to scroll all the way down here, you can see this person, for example, is doing the exact same thing that I'm teaching you in this video. You can see he posted a couple of pictures of a woodworking product containing a link that is going to take you to 16,000 plus woodworking plans. So pretty much just go ahead and create posts like this on Facebook in these groups, promote your website instead of somebody else's, and that way you can tap into that same traffic these people are using to promote this exact same offer completely for free. Another good source of traffic for this type of offers is found on Pinterest. If you go to Pinterest, go to the search bar and you type in there woodworking projects DIY, you can see literally hundreds of pins that are dedicated to this exact same niche of woodworking, because this is pretty much one of the most famous DIY hobbies out there. It's very easy to do, and if you have got the right plans and tools, you can create beautiful objects from wood very easily. So that's why a lot of people are looking for it. Just go to Pexels, grab yourself a woodworking image, post it as a pin, and because you are going to be posting link to your site instead of directly to the sales page, you're not going to get in trouble by posting direct affiliate links on Pinterest. Then if you don't want to be using social media to drive traffic to your website, what you can do is go to Google and you want to search for woodworking forums. You can see there's tons of forums dedicated to woodworking and DIY projects just like this that are full of people who are already interested in woodworking. So if they're going to stumble upon a site like this promoting woodworking plans, they're very likely to check them out and make a purchase. Now you can literally do this for any of these niches on ClickBank. Just go to ClickBank and choose a niche you want to do this for, but remember, some of the highest converting niches are wealth, health, and finance. So if you're going to, for example, for health, just go to the health and fitness section and choose one of the highest converting products that you want to go with. For example, if you're going to do this method for this Pro Denim Monster in Dental niche product, you can get paid over $125 just for each sale of this product. All you need to do is just generate website just like this on Durable, embed it with affiliate links into these buttons, pair it with the right source of traffic, and that way you're going to see some sales. Now if you enjoyed this method and you want to learn an even better affiliate marketing strategy that I'm using myself to generate around $6,000 per month without showing my face anywhere on the internet or without using any of my social media or this YouTube channel, and start getting results just like this without showing your face, check out the first link in the video description, see the short introduction video that I prepared for you, and I hope to see you there. Now if you want to see some more free money making methods that I'm sharing on my channel every single week, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.